Energy engineer. Okay. We are going to continue with our lesson on the modeling, analysis, and production of structural document or structural plan of our G+4 structure. Okay. So thank you for watching first of all, and if it's your first time to see what or follow one of our video, I will really encourage you to subscribe to our various platform, and more particularly to our YouTube channel, where all these videos are uploaded in time for you not to miss any of them. Okay, so thank you. In the last lesson, we ended with the making of our staircase, which were all for the modeling. Now we are going to enter into the definition of load, the type of load. So we are going to define the type of load, which will end up by after which we will go to the analysis of our structure. So how do we do the definition of the type of load? You simply come on load here, you click on type of load. Okay, you see we are in Bael, so it's in French by nature. That's why you are seeing permanente here, which simply means permanent load or dead load. Okay, and poids here is the self weight of our structure, since it's a reinforced concrete structure or beam columns. Okay, so we don't have to define it again, it's already given here by default. Okay, because we launched a calculation previously to check the measurement of our stairs. Okay, so now what we will enter is just the other different load, that dead load that we will have in our structure. Remember, you have to know how to do the load inventory in order to avoid to be able to do an accurate and more optimal structural analysis design. Okay, so we'll go to directly to the slab dead load. I will leave it to be slab dead load. Okay, that's it. And then I will first of all remove here on pop and put it on this void. Okay, slab dead load. Then I will click on add. Yes. Then after it, I will add also the roof dead load. Okay, I click on add. Then I think that's all for the dead load of this plan. Then I will go to exploitation, which means live load. Okay, so we'll quickly define we'll just start by the roof live load. Okay, then we'll go to dwelling live load. This dwelling simply represent the live load of what different room, bedroom, parlor, such places. Okay, so and also we are going to define stairs case dead load and circulation. Okay, like our corridor in this case, circulation. Then we'll add it also. Then we'll define same our balcony, the life rate of our balcony, which is usually different and function of the type of building, the purpose of the building. Okay, so that's it. We have defined I think that's all for the load that we need for this structure, for this analysis. Okay, so we just close now, and then we'll just check whether the dead load has been applied or not. So we'll come first of all to deactivate the section shape. Okay, or unactivate it. Then you come here on dead load day L1, which is normally our self weight of the structure. You activate it and everything should be red like this. Okay, in order to ensure that no, the self weight is being applied. Actually you don't need to make the self weight to calculate the self weight of your structure. once you are working on robot, because the structure or even define it, because robot naturally or automatically define yourself with in function of the type, or yeah, the type of the material that has been chosen for the design. Okay, so since our structure is mostly reinforced concrete, our body will generate the self load by its own way. Okay, by itself. Okay, so this pardon, this is it for the load definition. We have defined the type of load. You can also come here in order to define the type of load at this right hand. As you can see, load type, you click there, the same window will open and you see all the load. Okay, so that's it. And for the other load, they are not yet active because we have not yet apply or define them. Okay, so apply them. When we apply them, it will show. So uh let's go on the isometry view. Let's stand on one face and notice that we have not yet changed the type of support, and that's not nice. Before launching any calculation, always ensure that you have changed the type of support of your structure to a fixed support down here. Okay, so we'll quickly escape on the keyboard, then we'll quickly select from the left to the right to select all the nodes. As you can see, all the nodes have been highlighted, 25 nodes. Then we'll come here at the right, extreme right, then we'll click on support. We'll choose and customer, which is simply mean fixed support in this case. Okay, so that's it, and then you apply, and then you will realize that the type of support has changed to a hinge support to a fixed support. Okay, because initially it was a hinge support. Always ensure that you have changed this before starting the analysis. Okay, so that's it. In the next video, we are going to show you how to make the load combination. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It was NG.